Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome for this reaction to Jimmy Buffett with two special something. The first one is my t-shirt, in which it's written and the second one, so both of these items were kindly given and offered as gifts by Bill. So Bill, thank you again. My aunt Parrot, I don't know how you say that, but I got my aunt Parrot, and I'm so happy about it. I'm so excited about it. So of course I'm gonna wear it right now because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, you know, have it with my headphones during the reaction, unfortunately. So yeah, let me put it here. So Bill, you requested that I will take a margarita if I wanted to pet the parrot head. So like we talk about it, and I can't, telling you guys, I can't for several reasons. But I love to, but unfortunately it's not gonna be possible. But I'm sorry, but I'm still, you know, wearing the t-shirt in the parrot head because it's a Jimmy Buffett reaction and I really need to read them. So I hope you excuse me. You're gonna pardon me. You're gonna excuse me. I mean, I'm sorry, you know. And Richard, one of my patrons, so I asked my patron to choose the next Jimmy Buffett song, told me that I should really read the lyrics before, so this was what I'm gonna do right now. But you're not gonna see that, but... okay, I think I know what this song is about, so let's listen to it. Oh. Oh, it's hard to understand. Wow, they're all wearing colorful clothes. I think the beach is just beside. Amazing. You have the ocean just beside. Nobody has a parrot head. Maybe it's too hot. Maybe. It's very peppy. They have a set of drums and they have a set of tam-tam. I think it must be really hot. This is so cool. Wow, the camera. Okay. There's so many people. Wow. It's pouring outside, but I feel like summer just around the corner, but it's not even spring yet. Wow, that was cool. I have some things to say. First of all, let me put back this one. First of all, I'm not okay because nobody was wearing a parrot head. Well, I wasn't either actually. So but I think it's because it was really hot. But well, it was just beside the ocean. It's wow. And I've never been to a concert like this in my life. I'm expecting to, you know, attend one this year, hopefully, my first one. But it's really not just a normal concert. Like, there's so many people and so many cameras. There were even an helicopter there, you know, so I think it was for this concert. Like, it's crazy how famous he is, you know, but of course it's Jimmy Buffett. So the song, I did not understand anything of the lyrics, any lyrics during the song, like when they were singing, when he was singing. So thank you, Richard, to tell me, you know, like you told me that I really needed to read the lyrics before, so I know what he was talking about, because I really did not understand. It's kind of frustrating, but anyway. So if I understand well, it's because, you know, when this song is dedicated to the feeling you have when you are on a diet, right? And you're dreaming of a cheeseburger. I don't really know if this is that, you know, okay, if this is the meaning, but the lyrics, as I read them, I felt like that's it, you know. It's describing this emotion that you have when you're craving some great food that are not that healthy for you, but you're in a diet, so you even dream of this food, right? Yeah, it's interesting. It's quite fun, but the song is very like warm and peppy, and the instrumentals, it really reminds you of, you know, like, yeah, the ocean, and as everything was beside the ocean. I think an ocean, it's weird to say. Yeah, I think everything was really like complete, you know. There was the people, there was the sun, there was the ocean, and the right song, everything live and all. That was, I don't know if you guys attempted this concert, but it was on the Gulf Shores benefit concert. But yeah, if one of you guys who were watching me, you attended this concert, please tell me, describe it to me, how it was, what kind of souvenir you have, like memories you have from it. I love to know. So thank you again, Bill, for these then gifts, the Parrot head and the t-shirt. Thank you so much. Thanks to you, I was able to do a Jimmy Buffett reaction sooner than planned, actually. And yeah, tell me about the song, tell me about the lyrics if I got it right, because I kind of wonder now, because it's weird, you know, cheeseburger, having cheeseburger in a title song, it's already weird for me, you know, it's not common. But yeah, cheeseburger in paradise and the lyrics, tell me guys, I'm curious, I want to know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments your thoughts, and if you have any requests or recommendations, I will read you. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye. Say bye. Boo.